Okay, we are jumping on with some breaking news. Something absolutely huge has just dropped in the world of artificial intelligence, and it is a major, major leap forward.
Yep, it is confirmed. A brand new, more advanced family of AI models has been officially announced. This really marks another incredibly rapid and significant evolution in this entire field.
All right, so let's get right into the details. The information is, still coming in, but we've got the key points from the initial announcement. So here's everything we know right now, as of today, December 11th, 2025.
So the big name you need to remember is GPT-5.2. Now, it's really important to understand this isn't some brand new thing built from the ground up. The announcement calls it the latest model family inside the existing GPT-5 series. So think of it as a really powerful new iteration.
And this is where it gets even more interesting, because this is not just a single model release. The announcement actually reveals a whole family of models. We're getting two different versions right from the get-go, both under this new GPT-5.2 umbrella. So here's where we can kind of see the strategy playing out. We've got GPT 5.2 Instant and GPT 5.2 Thinking. Now, we don't have all the nitty-gritty technical details just yet, but come on, those names tell a story, right? Instant is almost certainly optimized for speed and super quick responses, while Thinking sounds like it's built for the heavy lifting, deeper, more complex problem solving.
And for all you developers and researchers out there, here are the official names you'll be using. The documentation says it's all lowercase: GPT 5.2-Instant and GPT 5.2-Thinking. So definitely jot those down.
Okay, so the models themselves are obviously a huge deal, but the what isn't even the wildest part of this story. It's the when. To really get why this news is making such waves, we have to put it into context.
The announcement did also touch on safety, pretty much saying that the strategy for 5.2 is largely the same as it was for the previous GPT-5 models. That suggests they have a really high level of confidence in the safety systems they've already built.
And this is what I'm talking about. This timeline just puts the incredible pace into perspective. Just look at it. The base GPT-5 model came out in August. 3 months later, in November, we got 5.1. And now, just 1 month after that, GPT 5.2 is already here. The speed of these releases is just accelerating like crazy.
And that brings us to the real takeaway from today's news. Beyond all the new names and features, the bigger story here is the sheer, undeniable acceleration in the pace of AI development.
Let's just boil it all down to one number: 3. 3 massive updates to a state-of-the-art AI model family, all in less than 6 months. For a technology this complex, that kind of speed it's extraordinary. It really points to a whole new paradigm in how they're developing this stuff.
Which leaves us with this one final, massive question. If this is the progress we've seen in just a handful of months, what on earth will the next 6 months bring? The future of AI isn't just arriving anymore. It feels like it's speeding up right in front of our eyes. And you can bet we'll be watching very, very closely.